Hello everyone, welcome to the channel CSC Scholar Studies. In this lecture, I will discuss about finite automata as output generator. So let's start. I have already discussed in the previous video all about finite automata, what is a finite automata, and there are two types of finite automata. One is language recognizer and second is output generator. In output generator, we given any input and get to the correspondent output of the particular given input. So the finite automata is a two type language and output generator, language recognizer and output generator, right? I have already discussed all about the language recognizer at automata, DFA, NFA, epsilon, NFA. I have already given the large video and examples for all the topics. You can go and watch that too. What is the DFA and NFA, epsilon NFA, and the link is given in the description. So watch all the previous video for the language recognizer. In this lecture, I will discuss the output generator or machines. There are two types of output generator machine. One is a Mealy machine and second is a Moore machine. Means these two machines used to generate the output based on the any particular input. Means when we give any input with finite automata, then we get a particular output to add the given input, right? This is a finite automata as a output generator. Okay, so first is a Mealy machine. What is a Mealy machine? Mealy machine is a mathematical model in which output is associated with the transition. Means जो हमारा ट्रांजिशन होता है स्टेट्स के बीच में, राइट, उसका आउटपुट जो होगा उसके ट्रांजिशन पे ही होगा. सपोज देर इज एन एग्जाम्पल, Q0 and Q1 is a true state and Q0 is the initial state, and here A is the input and correspondent output is 1, and the definition says that the output is associated with the transition. Means मेले मशीन में जो हमारा आउटपुट होगा किसी भी इनपुट पे वो ट्रांजिशन पे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, राइट. Here B is the input and 0 is the output. Here B is input and output. So this is the example of Mealy machine, and second is a Moore machine. It is a mathematical model in which output is associated with states. Means जो हमारा output होगा किसी भी particular input के लिए वो हमारा states के बीच में होगा, right? Suppose there is a state is Q0 and one second state is Q1, and comma 1 means 1 is the output and 0 is also output, and for A transition the output is a 1 because the transition come at this state. For this transition B, the output is 0 because the transition come at this state. For this transition the output is 0 because the B is a self loop transition, and for A the transition comes at Q0 and Q0 to given one input, so for this the output is a 1. So these are two types of a finite automata which generate the output of any given particular input, right? These are the two representation form how we represent the output to automata, right? I have I will clear more about the Mealy machine and Moore machine in the coming lecture. So watch the coming lecture. These are the some basic points we need to remember about the Mealy and Moore machine. One is Mealy and Moore machine बहुत सारा डिटर्मिनिस्टिक मीन्स DFA नेचर में होगा. हेंस ऑन एवरी इनपुट सिंबल एग्जैक्टली वन ट्रांजिशन. डिटर्मिनिस्टिक की कंडीशन क्या होती है? पर्टिकुलर इनपुट के लिए एग्जैक्टली वन ट्रांजिशन होना चाहिए, राइट. आई हैव already discussed this deterministic condition in the DFA. So both Mealy and Moore is deterministic in nature. Second point is देयर इज नो फाइनल स्टेट मीन्स इसमें कोई भी फाइनल स्टेट नहीं होती बिकॉज बोथ आर द नॉट एक्सेप्टर। फाइनल स्टेट जहाँ होती है जहाँ पे हमें लैंग्वेज चेक करना होता है कि कोई पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज एक्सेप्ट करेगी या नहीं, तो उसके लिए हमें एक फाइनल स्टेट होती है, बट हमें यहाँ पे आउटपुट चाहिए और इसमें कोई भी फाइनल स्टेट नहीं होती है, राइट। Third point is a Mealy and Moore machine are practically used in a circuit design. When we design the circuits of the devices, so we use the this concept Mealy and Moore machine. Next point is a both and Mealy and Moore machine can be represented using transition diagram and transition table, which I have already discussed what is the transition diagram and transition table. Go and watch the previous lecture uh, for the transition diagram and transition table, and link is given in the description. So these are the some basic points we need to remember what is a Mealy and Moore machine. I have uh, I have discussed these points for the basics of Mealy and Moore machine. So in the coming lecture, I will discuss in the detail what is a Mealy machine and Moore machine, how we draw the transition diagram and transition table. So thank you.